मी पर्सनली मैं तो पेन भी नहीं लेके जाता।
हैं? अगर मैं बिना पेन के एग्जाम लिखने चला जाऊँ मेरे हार्ट अटैक आ जाए।
तो आपको क्या लगता है बच्चों को एक चीज पे फोकस करना चाहिए या सारी चीजें साथ लेके चलना चाहिए?
हाउ डू आई नो विच स्पोर्ट्स आई एम गुड एट इफ आई हैवंट ट्राइड इट?
एंड मैं फादर से तूने अभी से कमाना शुरू कर दिया।
You took the money in your bank account or you gave it to your parents?
माय बैंक अकाउंट।
Okay. Krishna,
From Milky Way, I will go to Andromeda Galaxy, then to IC 1101 Galaxy.
I will
Like
just go to Ranchi.
that. Were you like backbencher?
I would wait, maybe somebody else will ask that question. But if nobody asks that question, then I'll be like,
Why is the light flashes everywhere when the photo gets clicked? Why is the aerodynamic shape of the light like this?
एक रिक्वेस्ट है।
Pucho.
So my name is Krishna R. K. Pramanik and I'm studying in grade 5.
आई एम आदिश जैन एंड आई एम फ्रॉम एलन ऑनलाइन।
क्या लगता है कौन हो सकता है सेलिब्रिटी?
सबका यही डाउट है कौन है, हम गेसेस मार रहे थे।
We are here for extracting the stories of some genius minds.
जिसके बारे में हम रोज बात करते हैं उससे मैं मिल रहा हूँ आज।
सो आदिश, एक इंटरनेशनल स्टेज में आपने इंडिया के लिए एक गोल्ड मेडल लाया है, लेकिन उसके पहले यार हम जैसे लोगों को ये तो बता दो ओलंपियाड होता क्या है?
तो सर आपने ओलंपिक सुना होगा,
हाँ,
बहुत बड़े इवेंट्स होते हैं। तो ओलंपिक्स में आप स्पोर्ट्स खेल के अपने देश को रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हो और उसके लिए मेडल ला सकते हो, तो पढ़ाई में क्यों नहीं? तो ओलंपियाड्स वो प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे आप पढ़ के एकेडमिक्स, साइंस, मैथ्स पढ़ के अपने देश के लिए मेडल ला सकते हो और देश को प्राउड कर सकते हो।
wow, so it's like it also has different events.
Yes, it has many different events. For example, we have maths Olympiad, physics, chemistry, biology, astronomy and junior science for younger students.
हम्म।
और इसके लिए जो टीम सिलेक्शन है वो भी एक बहुत रिमार्केबल प्रोसेस है, क्योंकि हमें बेस्ट माइंड्स चाहिए इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए। तो इसके लिए बहुत सारे माइनर ओलंपियाड्स करवाए जाते हैं और फिर जो बेस्ट माइंड्स होते हैं इंडिया के उनको लेके जाते हैं एज अ टीम इंडिया टू रिप्रेजेंट इंडिया इन ऑल दीज ओलंपियाड्स एंड विन मेडल्स।
Do you have a view? You want to go to an Olympiad?
Yes, very much.
That's the aim,
Yes,
And
I'm
you're
an
preparing?
aspirant.
and you're preparing for it. You are the one who's very curious. So you
Yes.
must be curious about everything. So his answer would have suffixed a lot of those things. अच्छा, ये सारी चीजें मुझे करनी है, to reach over there.
Yes, I had a base idea, but he
Mhm.
cleared it even further.
But he's like, you want to become a sports person, and he's the guy who is playing that sports at the top level.
Yes.
So I think he will guide you the best. So Krishna, right from an early age, were you always very studious, padaku, or somebody inspired you getting that all India ranking of 1 in maths Olympiad?
From the very young age, my father first found Olympiads. From class 1 I am giving those Olympiads, and before that also, like, my father and mother used to observe that I was not only content with only the school studies. Okay, so then what happened, my father used to give me a lot of activity works of various subjects like science, maths, English.
So anything and everything that you see,
Hmm.
do you get curious about? In the
Yes,
sense,
any
something that is new and you're like slightly amazed at you. ये करता क्या है? Then ये होता कैसे है?
like, I'm very curious about how the shooting set works now, if I'm speaking about this. But like, why is the light flashes everywhere when the photo gets clicked? And so I'm really curious about new things.
So Adish, tell me one thing.
Yes.
When you are preparing for a competitive exam, do you miss your friends, you may be playing at that point of time or doing various stuff, so do you ever feel that, there's a FOMO that is happening, I'm missing something that I crave for, but maybe this is more important for me, that getting ready for the competitive exam?
सर मैं फोमो तो नहीं होने देता।
Hmm.
लाइक अगर एग्जाम्स बहुत क्लोज आ गए तो उन 1 मंथ में मैं रिस्ट्रिक्ट करता हूँ ये डिस्ट्रैक्शंस थोड़े से। बट अदर देन दैट आई अचीव माय डेली गोल और उसके बाद जो टाइम बचता है उसमें मैं फुल रिलैक्स होके एन्जॉय करता हूँ।
So basically, you do time management.
यस,
कि 24 hours is a lot of time. Let's say if I'm sleeping for 8 hours, then I have ample time to prepare for my exams and at the same time have fun in life. which may
Yes.
be games or spending time with friends or doing whatever they are doing.
Yes, I'm a movie fan. मैं कोई मूवी मिस नहीं करता.
Actually, it's very important to switch on and switch off. It really
Yes.
helps. Yeah, and somehow it's one thing that a lot of people find it very difficult to do, but it's actually quite simple.
आप कैसे करते हो मैचेस के बीच में?
So I'm a bike rider. So
Okay.
if given an opportunity, I ride bikes. Second, I'm a gamer also, so I play games. So I play badminton. Now I play paddle. I'm good with games. So for me, that is like a stress buster for me, because it's not like I cannot always go for a bike ride. If I'm in some other city, then I don't know the place, I don't have a bike. Ranchi, I can do that. So for me, you have to figure out your own ways, as to what is it, that one thing, that switches you off that intense moment and, helps you recharge your batteries.
तो भैया अभी आपने बोला बहुत सारे गेम्स खेलते हो, तो आपको क्या लगता है बच्चों को एक चीज़ पे फ़ोकस करना चाहिए या सारी चीज़ें साथ लेके चलना चाहिए?
मेरी पर्सनल फीलिंग है कि बच्चों को एक्सप्लोर करना चाहिए. Reason being very simple, and I'll talk more about sports. How do I know which sports I'm good at if I haven't tried it? More often than not, आदमी क्रिकेट खेलता है, फुटबॉल खेलता है, स्कूल में बास्केटबॉल खेल लिया. There may be other sports. So unless I try that, how am I supposed to know? So it's very important to explore, and you do that. For me, if you ask me, 6 to 8 or class 9th is the right age. By that time, you figure out, what will really work for you. So let's say even if you are just doing it at a recreational level, it helps you improve your fitness. It recharges your mind, and it will still help you. It's beneficial for you. And if you by that time decide, okay, I can be a professional badminton player or a professional tennis player, why not? So you have asked your questions. I have a set of questions that I want to ask. Okay, good, honest answer, whatever it
Sure.
may be. If you feel that's the answer, you should give that answer. एग्जाम के एक रात पहले ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स सेट करके सोना या एग्जाम के दिन बस एक पेन लेके जाना?
मी पर्सनली मैं तो पेन भी नहीं लेके जाता.
हैं?
हाँ, मैं सुबह उठता हूँ, यूनिफ़ॉर्म पहनता हूँ, अगर पॉकेट में पेन कल का पड़ा हुआ है, तो अच्छा है वरना दोस्त से माँग लेंगे.
Are you serious?
यस.
What about you?
I prepare my geometry box and all of those protector and all of those stuff which is needed in the exam from the earlier night.
I'm like you, though I never needed all of them, but I was like you. अगर मैं बिना पेन के एग्जाम लिखने चला जाऊँ, मेरे हार्ट अटैक आ जाए.
Me also.
Anyways, yeah, I cannot even think about it. सबसे बुरा बहाना जो आपके दोस्तों ने बनाया हो स्कूल नहीं जाने के लिए?
सबसे बुरे बहाने तो मैं ही बनाता हूँ, बट फिर भी एक दोस्त ने एक बार बोला था कि उसको पेट में दर्द हो, लेकिन वो उसको ही पता चल सकता है, हमारे पास कोई वे नहीं है प्रूव करने का.
That's like one of the most common thing.
हाँ,
क्या
बट
है, पेट में दर्द हो रहा है. What about you?
Same thing also, sometimes headaches are also there, like sometimes they want to skip any boring class, so they go to the infirmary, they show some cut or something like that, and they just walk off to the infirmary and talking, and also they sometimes talk about their escape.
एक बार एक दोस्त ने बोला था कि मेरे को लगा संडे है.
हैं?
उसने बोला मेरे को लगा संडे है. अच्छा नहीं था, कोई बात नहीं.
ये तो वही वाला एक जोक था ना कि क्यों नहीं आए थे कल स्कूल? सर मैं गिर गया था और मुझे लग गई.
कहाँ गिर गए?
तो सर ने पूछा कहाँ? बोला सर बिस्तर में गिर गया था और नींद लग गई. So it's like a joke. Anyways, last question from my side. अगर एक सुपर पावर मिल जाए, कौन सा लोगे और क्यों?
I would choose teleportation and universal teleportation, because like I could then explore, which is one of my like curiosity. I'm very curious, so I want to explore the universe, and I will go to some like from Milky Way I will go to Andromeda galaxy, then to IC 1101 galaxy, which is still the largest galaxy. If possible, then I will explore some other large red giant stars and all of those, and without getting burnt, if I can land on them fortunately. And yes,
I will
like that.
just go to Ranchi. But nice question. I have a further question to this. What about you?
सर आई एम आल्सो क्यूरियस, बट मैं इतना हाई-फाई नहीं हूँ कि स्पेस में जाऊँ. तो मैं पावर माँगूँगा सबके दिमाग पढ़ने की, ताकि मेरे को पता चले कौन क्या सोच रहा है.
Yeah, both of you are too much, because first of all, the good thing is you didn't ask for teleportation. Reason being, तुम तो ना हेलमेट पहनते ना ऑक्सीजन मास्क, तुम पहुंच जाते मून पे. So half the things you would have forgotten. And reading the mind is a bit too much. You don't know what others are thinking. A lot of times you don't want to know what others are thinking.
So, sir, a lot of people say that I'm very random in asking questions. So, were you like very like a backbencher, or were you like me very much like asking questions in what, how, and why?
So I always felt asking questions is very important, but I wasn't exactly like you, like if you feel something, you will ask it immediately. I would hold myself back. I would wait, maybe somebody else will ask that question. But if nobody asks that question, then I'll be like, sheepishly say, sir or ma'am, this is what I feel. I don't understand it. Reason being very simple. If I don't know something about a particular subject, if I don't ask in the next class also, I won't know. At least if I ask, I may look stupid, I may not look good, but at least the next time the same question is asked, I have an answer. So, Krishna, I have a very interesting question. So, you mentioned right from an early age, you were very curious. But in your life, who was that first person who actually paid attention to what you were asking and saw the relevance of it? So, who was that first person who started addressing all the curiosity that you had?
So that was actually my father. My father stays, sorry, not stays, I mean, goes to the office for like almost 12 to 13 hours.
Mm.
So I don't get to speak to him very often. Just in the morning, just before he leaves at what, maybe 8:45, and just after he arrives at 9 o'clock, sometimes 9:30. So then what happens is, whenever we have a car journey or whenever we are in a flight, I ask things about like, why is the aerodynamic shape of the flight like this, and more curiosity questions.
Even after having a long day at work, because it at times it can be like, just come back 12 hours, I am out and I have to answer a lot of stuff. So a lot of credit goes to. So Adish, almost the same question to you also.
सर एज़ सेम एज़ हिम, माय फर्स्ट गाइड्स वर माय पेरेंट्स। उन्होंने मेरे को बचपन में सारी चीज़ एक्सप्लोर करवाई थी। बहुत सारी एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस लगवाई थी, ताकि मेरे को पता चले मैं किसमें अच्छा हूँ। एंड आई फाउंड आउट कि मैं स्टडीज़ में अच्छा हूँ, ठीक-ठाक हूँ। एंड देन दे स्टार्टेड पुशिंग मी फॉर स्टडीइंग वेरियस कोर्सेज़ एंड स्टफ। स्कूल में अच्छी रैंक, तो उस पे मैंने काम किया। एंड आफ्टर सम टाइम आई गॉट अ प्रोफेशनल मेंटर from Alan. So when I joined my first Alan course, I was just a regular guy in the course. But then seeing my performance, my mentor Sameer sir, he contacted me on the phone and he said that I see something special in you and you need to start preparing and I will guide you. And he's still guiding me.
Another interesting question from my perspective also. So whenever you won your first competitive Olympiad or anything at any level, there's always an prize money that is involved. It may be big, it may not be big. But what was the reaction? Your reaction and the family, of course, because you guys are very young. So what was their reaction? Anyone, whoever wants to start the answer.
Sir, mera first cash prize was in Talent X by Alan and it was 50,000 rupees. My father, mother and I, we went to Kota to collect that. And the whole time they were just smiling. They were very happy. And my father said, "तूने अभी से कमाना शुरू कर दिया?"
So he was still very candid about it.
Yes. I too was very happy
Mhm.
because it's such a great prize and seeing my parents proud was very special to me.
This was recent or
This was 2 years back.
2 years?
Yes, in 2024.
You took the money in your bank account or you gave it to your parents?
My bank account.
Okay. Krishna.
My actual first scholarship, I guess, was also in Talentex. Then I got AIR rank 2, and that is why I got 30,000 rupees.
And that you gave it to your parents?
No, that is also in my own bank account.
You are so young. What will you do with the money?
My future scholarships, actually.
So you're not buying books or
No,
anything?
no.
So you're not investing?
It's kept untouched.
Okay. So sweet. Yeah. It was very nice talking to both of you. I would like to wish both of you success.
Thank
Keep
you.
working hard. Keep doing well for India.
Sure.
And it was a real pleasure. All the very best from my side.
Thank you.
Krishna?